As I promised you, we're going to talk about ZeroNet. That what it is and what kind of project it is, who's operating it, and how does it work, and how it's going to help us. More likely, how it's going to people with the censorship problem. So, in 2008, the owner started an event in TED Talk. So, the recap is this project, the ZeroNet, is an alternative way to using an internet based on blockchain, which is you just surfing the internet and the protocol is just the blockchain. And the address that you're trying to use, maybe you want to try to go through the website address. And that address is just like in wallet address. That if you are using cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, there is a hash-like address that is going to help you transaction to another wallet. So this is just like that. You're going to surf the internet based these protocols, and it's just like it, yet you cannot censor this project because it's blockchain. If you know how the blockchain works, it's just like a decentralized way to communicate, just like a financial way that people are trying to use decentralized way to use cryptocurrencies because nobody owns it. That's the beauty of it. And these people came up with this idea and say, why don't we use it in the surface, the internet? So ZeroNet has been born. So let's go to the display and see how it works. And yeah, still working. Okay. Right now I'm in my Windows 11. And this is the file that you're going to download. Okay. I'm already using this because the first starting page might be different from you, because at first there is some Windows by Windows is just going to pop up. Let's go to the actual website, their actual website that been created. So this is the website that you can go to, ZeroNet.io. At first, you're just going to see the download page. If you're in a Mac, it's going to show the Mac, and in this case, I'm using Windows, so it's going to show Windows. And if it mistake by accident, you can choose other platforms and source codes. So, and that's pretty cool because you can use the source code and create your own ZeroNet, or just come up with another idea. So, a little bit of review about this project. It's a peer-to-peer, and they just explain this. Your content distributed directly to other visitors without any central server, because it's using blockchain. It says uncensored. It's nowhere because it's everywhere. Just like I said, the blockchain is everywhere because everybody use their data to confirm other people's data. This is the way how the blockchain works. If you don't know how the blockchain works, I suggest you Google it, make some research to see how it works. so you have the little bit of idea of this technology. And big domains. This is and one of the cool ways to use this ZeroNet is they give you a domain for your own website for free. You can have your own website for free. Nothing else, and no host, and no payment, nothing. That's pretty cool of it. Decentralized domains using Namecoin cryptocurrency. No password because you're using a wallet and just an address that is used blockchain. You actually don't need a password. And yeah, the page is responsive and it's fast, and I've been using it for long. So yes, works everywhere. Anonymity, and for people who are very technical, you can use Tor Bridge. It gives you a lot of security, and it's going to help you. And as I said, it's open source. And I'm going to change a lot of this, so it's going to be personal, and maybe I'm going to publish it so other people can use the personal changes that I made. So maybe it's going to be helpful a lot, because there is a lot of room to improve. So, as I said, when you fire up for first time, it's just like this. There are some windows, just like windows by windows. But because I use all of these services, each of these windows that I told you is going to be shown. All the names of it's in the left side. One of the windows were ZeroMe. The other one was ZeroUp. I'm going to talk you about just some of it, and after that you're going to explore it by yourself. One of them is YouTube, but it's not the actual YouTube. It's just like a normal website, so you can just upload your videos. That's it. And one of the downside about this project is you're not going to connect to actual websites just like Google or anything else, because it's like a different version of internet. It's just they have their own websites, they have their own communities. It's just very separate. But when I go through the source code, maybe someday I'm going to make another video about that too. You can make a gateway through this, so you can connect to the other website, just like Google or actual YouTube or Instagram or anything else. You can use it, but it might be very challenging, because this project is a little bit hard, so you can use it in other websites. So what do we have? At first, ZeroMe. Let's jump into it. This is just like a chat room or the community rooms, the forum rooms that you might just connect to others and everyone. These ZeroNet people or ZeroMes, they are news, and they are new users, so you can talk to them and anything else. They'll let you know that there are new users that are going to join. So, what are the things they're going to require from you is to create a username. To use any services, just because other people, they want to get to know you. They need to create a username, but it's not just like any other sign up. You just choose a username and that's it. Let's see if I can. So I already created a new username. I don't think they're gonna let me use another one. Let's see if I can do that. So it's not gonna let me, just because I already have, and there's only one username per user for now. Maybe they're gonna change it afterwards, but for now this is it. If you don't, you see, if you didn't create any user, they're gonna let you know there is an option available for you, so you can create a new user, and after that you can go through all the things that you want to do. So I think they're gonna show you the ZeroNet thing. Oh no, this is for the domains. That's it. And let's see. This is all the domains that been available for you to, to change it and create your own website. And they're going to be available in this section for other people to work. So at the logins, you use your username and you logged in and create a page. This is, I never go through this, I didn't start this, but when I go through the source code, they use Python to coding this project. So I think they use the same language, the Python language, to create the website. So this is what I figured out. And the community, so they have their mail. You can email the other users directly. And this is other websites that are membership. The members are started it too. So they have blogs, Zero blogs. Let's check one out. See what's up. Okay, this is from the 2019. Whoa, long time ago. Okay, Happy New Year. Signifying CPU usage optimization for downloading sites with many files. So it's just like a normal website. You can just create your own and weblog it and go through it. And you can submit a new website from up here. So you click here, you click the address. The example is just like the up here. And for me, it's 127.0.0.1, and after that, there is a address that you're going to use it. The title, the language, categories, and descriptions, and you just submit. And after you submit, just like a normal, I don't know, the Word application. So you just write down and add some pictures and maybe some videos, and you just submit it, and that's it. So let's go through some, video and images. Let's go through YouTube. The cool thing is they try to be so close to YouTube, and I don't know, because of my VPNs or anything else, but they're not showing and they're not loading so fast their preview thumbnails. But if you just you have porn. Can't believe it. Oh god. So it's just like the first time you're using the internet. The cool thing is just like the first times the old time the internet just came out, it feels just like that. If you experiencing it just like that, it have some those deja vu thing. So we have movies too. V for Vendetta. It has the torrent format naming in the files. So let's see. If it plays, I'm not going to go through all that. There might be copywriting in actual YouTube. And see, this is what this is. So I'm going to let it load. Struggle. And zero mail, zero ID. This is the actual it, and the cool thing is, it's not going to be censored. And by anyway, they can be banned because it's the blockchain. That's very cool about this thing. I love it. I really love it. So what this is, I really don't know. Straw wheels. Just download this thing. At GitHub, you cannot find this. Of course, you can find this. So, more than a year. You just want to know what this is about. Okay, straw wheels. It's an experimental digital currency that enables instant payment to anyone, anywhere in the world. Strawwell uses peer-to-peer technology to operate with no central authority. Managing transactions and issuing money are carried out collectively by the network. Strawwell is the name of the open source software which enables the use of the currency. Alright, so they found a way to help us make money by that too, which is pretty cool if it's going to be operational. Maybe there is a way for us to change the internet. So the old way of the serving and be centralized through all of that, it's pretty cool. And I think this is the ending for this video. Okay, let's see, my video is still up and I don't think it's going to be up. Okay, my video is going to be up in just a moment. Okay, as I said, this is going to be the end of this video. I hope you enjoy my review of the ZeroNet. Yes, they have its own flaws because it's not connecting to the actual internet. It's just like investing in the new things. Because if you saw what we are just experienced by this, it's just like the first era of the internet. It's that the simplicity and the new ways that the people are just going through that. But by more users and more people that are going to improve the ZeroNet, there is a good chance it's going to be, internationally. The whole people might, the good chance that all people in the world are going to use this instead of the what we're using right now. And this is pretty cool. I really love it. And I think it's going to happen. The good thing is they involve people to shape this project. The decentralized way, they open doors for people. They're going to shape what they're going to do, what they wanted to do. That's pretty amazing. Because the big tech media or the big tech companies, they're not going to shape it just for their image, and they're going to give us all that. We can reshape all of that by our vision. And I'm pretty excited, actually. So, in my case, I'm going to relearn and remind all the Python language for myself, and I'm going to go through the blockchain technology, because we are going to use it in this way, and maybe we can bring artificial intelligence into that too. Because the blockchain and artificial intelligence together, it's like a force that they can reckon with. We all can rise our powers person by person just to reshape all of that. And we don't need the big tech companies to decide what is good for us. Even I'm in Iran, this is pretty amazing. And I hope to see that rise thing from the ZeroNet and from the people. This is for more people in general, but Iranian people can get benefits from that too, because it's pretty amazing. And I hope you're going to go through this too. I think this is the greatest opportunity that we can have. So, stay tuned for the next video. So, if you like this video, you know what to do. Just hit the like button and hit subscribe to, and stay tuned for the next video. We're going to talk about the Iranian censorship and what can we do to prevent that to happen to us. All the applications we're going to use, how do we do it, and we're going to explain this to make it easier for you to understand, and we're going to make it operational for you. So until then, my name is Ben Bad. Thank you all to joining us at the Flow Connect channel. I love you all. Goodbye.